I'm Joe Sampson. I'm the plant engineer at Elmira Pet Products. We're a private label pet food manufacturer. We specialize in dry cat and dog food kibbles. We're the largest private label manufacturer in Canada. We do about 110,000 metric tons per year now and growing.
Behind me is our newest line that we installed in November of 2016. It's a high-speed Thiele bagger packaging line. It's a Thiele UltraStar. It does about 20 to 27 bags a minute, depending on the size and shape.
It's a high-speed bagger. It's a double pick and fill system. We've got a Fortress inline metal detector with off-grade diverter automatic reject on it. And then that feeds into the Thiele UltraStar bagging system.
So this here is the bag in-feed magazine of our Thiele UltraStar bagger. Operators manually load the empty bags onto the conveyor belt here. That gets loaded into the machine, 2 bags at a time, and we begin the filling process.
It stages, picks, and fills each of the bags, and it does it 2 at a time, and that's a big part of where the capacity gets.
Both bags are getting picked from the bag magazine, and 2 at a time they go into the fill station. The bags are filled from the quad scales up above us. The accuracy's been pretty good for us, and down the road they get sealed and onto the palletizing process.
We've done a lot of work with Thiele over the years on large paper and poly bag filling applications. A big step up from the traditional OmniStar baggers that we have in place now.